Hi, Kiyo. Good evening, Kiyo.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, chilling. Airban. Airban. Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's great. You're fine. Okay, so what did you do?
In the morning,
Oh,
I
in
go
the
to
morning?
study, and in the afternoon, I play with my friend.
Wow, so you're very happy today?
Yes.
Wow, that's good to hear that you're very happy. Okay, and teacher Anne is also very happy. Okay, for a white thing. Okay, so I will share you something here about the lesson today. Okay, I hope you will make this lesson perfect, okay?
Right.
Okay, Kiyo. Julian, ano sabi? Ang lagi sakit akong likod dali pasandigan. Okay, Kiyo. Oh, very good. Very fast. Okay. Oh, very good to you, boy. Okay, here. So look at this one. So we have here reading and writing test 2. Okay, so I have here some vocabulary words. The words that you need to learn. Okay, so I have here
I know
first.
cuz.
You know the word course?
I don't know cuz.
Course is just, it's a
Words.
noun. Like, what is your course? Example, I will be taking up, I will be taking up a medicine. I want to become a doctor. I will be taking up education. I want to be a teacher. I will be taking up an engineering. I want to be a engineer. I will be taking up business. So I want to be working in a very big company. So that's course. Okay? It's course. Okay, do you understand, Keo?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Very good. So, how about lesson? You know the word lesson, right?
I know it.
Yeah, exactly. Enjoy. You know the
No,
word enjoy.
enjoy.
Yeah. And then have to. I have to be very clever. Have to. You understand this?
It means we must have to do something.
We must have to do something. Okay. Here, look at for this one. Okay, I have here questions like this. You know already how to answer this one or like that. Please,
I
Kayo,
know.
try to answer it properly. If you think it's hard, try to think. I want you to understand because Kayo, Teacher Ann is not after with the points. I'm after with how you understand. And Teacher Ann is so happy that every now and then your thinking is very good. Okay? Yay! Okay, start now. Good
Okay.
job, Teo. Okay, let's see your answer. Wait, because I need to hide my face because the space is so small. You cannot see here. Okay, so number one, you can learn how to make a different kinds of food on this course. Let's see what answer. Okay, but before that, okay, let us hear. So, wait, sorry. So, you know already the word make, right?
No, Mike.
Yeah, of course. I know because you're very smart. So, the
Make a
answer for
cake.
number one, make a food. So, answer is letter H. Very good. Number two, you have to get off. You know the word get off, Kayo?
Yes, I know.
From one train and get on another. So, when you see get off, you will, what do you mean by get off?
Get off midweek when the pencil is on my t-shirt. I will try to get off.
Yeah, very good. Get off, you will take it off. You will go down, you will go from the train, go out from the train. When you say get on, what do you mean by get on?
Then we go on the train.
Very good. You will? Get on means you will ride on the train. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Number two, answer of chaos, letter F.
Teacher, may I go out?
Okay, for a while. You just come back, please.
Okay.
Okay. Next, very good. Number three, Kiyo boy. Wait, is it? Teacher, phone this person if you want a job working with the cars. So, means job working with the cars. Let us see. What's your answer? Yeah, very good. Of course, it's mechanic. Dylan, can I have water? Of course, it's mechanic, Teo. So, when we say working with a car, it should be mechanic, right? Next one. Okay, very good. Good job. If you want someone to wash some clothes for you, it will be cheaper this week. Wash some clothes. Who will help you wash some clothes? Very good. Clean shirts in 24 hours. Half price until Saturday. Oh, because it's clothes, of course, there's a t-shirt. So just a hint like that to you and you will be very good. You mustn't take too many clothes. It means you must not take many clothes. What's your answer with this?
I will
Very good, Kayo boy. James, jeans, no more than 3 pairs in changing the room. Oh, yay! Good job.
I knew it.
Yeah, I know that you're very good. Diba, Teacher Ann always told you about that? You're very smart. Yay! 5 points for KO. And you gonna save what?
Bonus.
Bonus. Oh, I will take note here. You've got 1,066. Did you write it there, Kyo?
Yes.
1,066 plus 36 bonus plus 5 points. Here. Next, Kyo. So look at this one. You have to read the sentences about university university students. Okay, please make perfect with this.
Okay, I will try to make perfect.
Oh my God, I almost give the answer.
Okay.
Okay, here. Look at this one. Okay, look at number 6, you boy. So as you can see, number 6, Sarah is doing a 4 years course in the business. Very good. The university secretary was there to blank all the new students to welcome new students. Number 8, on the first day, Sarah blanked some of her new teachers.
Math.
Math. Very good. Today, Sarah is busy.
Busy.
Next one, Sarah is hoping to join. Very good again to you, boy. Okay, here, next one. So now you're going, oh, what is, I will add 5.
Where do you from? I know it. I knew where do you from.
What's
You
that?
from York.
Okay, here, Theo. Oh, sorry. Okay,
Hi.
try to answer, please. Okay.
Oh, I know that.
You read first. You read first.
I knew it. I be.
Oh, you're cheating.
No, I see the answer, then I like.
Oh, you read first. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Oh, are you done answering, you boy?
Yes.
Okay. I will be the one to read and you will answer me, okay? So please answer the phone. What's that? What's your answer? Please answer, Keo. Letter A. Let's see. Oh, why can't you? Now. Oh, please answer the phone. Oh, why can't you? Would you prefer lemonade or orange juice?
If you like.
Okay, if have you got anything else? Oh,
What?
Have you got anything else? So you will be asking, have you got anything else aside from lemonade or orange juice? Okay, number 13. 9.15 trains late again. What's your answer? Oh, it's often is. Oh, got 1 point. Can you help me with my homework? I don't understand it. Okay.
What?
Okay, your answer is also correct, Iyo. You can also say, I cannot help it. Oh, you can also say that one. That's correct also. That's 2 points. The same way, I don't understand it. I thought the play was very boring. I enjoyed it. Oh, you got 3 points, Kiyo. Use the bonus or save the bonus?
Save.
Save again. Okay, next. Okay, so here, Keo, for a while, Keo, teacher Annual. Okay, here, Keo, boy. So all you have to do, you know already. Wait for a while. Sorry, Keo. Okay. So you will have to complete the conversation about renting a room. You know what is rent a room? You know the word rent?
What is rent?
Rent, it means that you don't have a house, so you will have to rent a house. Like you will pay $100 a month. That's rent.
What?
Oh, like that. You understand rent?
No.
Oh, I mean example, just for example, you don't have a house. So you need a place to stay. So you will rent a house and you will pay $100 or $200 a month for you to stay in the house. That's rent.
1 month is 100.
$100, that's about, I don't know in Vietnam, in Philippines, that's 5,000 pesos. So you will rent 5,000 pesos.
What? 1 month is 5,000?
Yeah, 5,000 pesos. I don't know in Vietnam, that's 5,000 pesos. That's only example, the word rent. You will pay to the owner of the house or to the owner of the apartment if you want to live. That's rent. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, look up here. So, look at this one or try to answer that one. Please make it perfect.
I try.
Oh, I know you can do it. Go, go, go.
Come this way. Here is. How near is a person? Come this way. Here is it. Is this? Come this way.
Go, Kiyo.
I can't choose.
Just think, I know you can do it.
Are you the student?
Go. Okay. Come this way. What's your answer for this, Kiyo boy?
Come this way, here is.
Go, Kiyo. Focus, only focus. I know you can do this. I know you can do this. Go, Kiyo boy. Come this
E.
way. Here it is.
E.
Letter A or letter E?
E.
Letter.
No,
Let's see.
no,
What? What's your answer?
I.
Oh, one. Wait for a while. It's thrilling. Oh, very good. Okay. Okay. What you think here? Oh, I see you're very good. And it's very warm. The rent is $400 a month.
B.
B. Letter A. What does the heating cost? There's nothing more to pay. Are you a student? 18?
I don't know.
There's nothing more to pay. Are you a student? What will be your answer?
G.
Letter? Are you a student? So she is asking you, are you a student? So what will be your answer?
G.
Letter H?
G.
Letter B? I can't. Oh,
G. I think H.
H. Okay, let's see with letter H. Very good.
G.
Yeah, very good. It's letter H. A nurse, because you are asking, Kyo, are you a student? A nurse. So I often have to work at night. Okay. It's very quiet here during the day, and the station's not far away. So what will be your response?
My response is
So she's asking about the station. It's very quiet here today, and the station is not far away. How? Okay, what will be?
D.
Letter D. Let's see, Kia. Oh! But is there any way to park my car? Only in the road because I haven't got a garage. What is your answer? You got two correct. What's your answer? What's your answer?
B.
Letter B. Very good. So you got 3 points, Kio. Okay, let's count your scores first. So you've got 18. 1,066 plus 18. How much is that?
Yeah.
14. It's 1,084 plus 40 points. Okay. Did you check? Please check Kio. 1,084.
Okay.
Okay, did you check that one?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, next one here. In part 4, read the article about a young girl who plays the violin. Okay. Our sentence says 2027, A for right, B for wrong, and C. Oh, it's here. Okay. What you are going to do with this, KO? Are you going to read the question first? I mean, copy the questions for a while?
Copy.
Or read the article first?
What is
okay, listen to teacher. Listen. Kia. Listen to teacher. I know this is very hard for you, so I will give 2 points for each question. Okay? So you have to be very careful with this. 2 points every question. Is that good or not good?
Wait, I think I see this already.
No,
I see this. When you say I cheat, I see that already.
Okay, will you read? Okay, first you read. You read first, okay? Okay. So, you will read or teacher Ann will read?
Teacher Ann will read.
Okay. So, first, teacher Ann, and the next you will read. If teacher Ann will read, please listen and look at. Okay, Kia?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, here. Chloe was born in England. Her father works with computers, and her mother teaches dance. Chloe began playing the violin when she was 2. Her parents bought her a special violin which was small enough for her to use, and even at this age, she could play without help. Wow! Her sister Virginia, who was 19 at the time, played the piano, and after Chloe heard her play something, she tried to play it on her violin. From the age of 4, she played a number of concerts in Britain and America, and 1991 when she was child violinist in the whole Hollywood film One Jin. Okay, you read it now, Kyo. Many teachers,
I read
many teachers.
many teachers offered to give
Chloe,
Chloe lesson, but when she was 7, she met Professor Jack
Boy.
Chacabon. She was content from a beginning and that he was the right teacher for her. His work take him around the world and each year to drive few thousand of kilometers to get to his class.
Okay.
Joey was only 14 when she made the first CD, but she says she just like any another teen, teen, teen,
Teenager.
teenager.
I have lots.
I have a lot of friends and I love pop music. Getting better on the violin is important, but I also make sure I have time for another things.
Okay, so look at here. So we have here, this is about Chloe Hanslip. Okay, Chloe Hanslip. Now, you understand the word violin, right?
And the violin.
Concert. You know what is concert? You know what is concert, right? Concert. The one in which there are actors and actress and they will perform. It's concert. Okay. So here, Chloe was born in England. Her father worked with computers and her mother teaches dance. Chloe began playing the violin when she was 2 years old. Her parents bought her a special violin which was small enough for her to use. She can use the small violin. And even at this age, she could play without help. Her sister Virginia, who was 19 at the time, played the piano. And after Chloe heard her playing something, she tried to play it on her violin. From the age of 4, she played at a number of concerts in Britain and America, and in 1999, she was child violinist in Hollywood film One Jin. Many teachers offered to give Chloe lessons, but she was 7. She met Professor Zach Brown. So Professor Zach was the first teacher. She was certain about from the beginning that he was the right teacher for her. His work takes him around the world, and each year, Chloe flies thousands of kilometers to get to his classes. Chloe was only 14 when she made her first CD, but she says she just like any other teenager. I have lots of friends and I love pop music. Getting better into the violin is very important to Chloe, but I also make sure I have time for other things. Okay, that's Chloe. Okay, now what's your answer for this?
I know 2 lessons.
Go, Kaya! This is the last topic that we had. I mean, the last, activity.
Finish.
Okay. Chloe's first violin was the same size other the violins?
Doesn't say. I know the answer.
Oh, really? Oh, wrong, because she has the smaller violins. To start with, Chloe practiced the same, much as her sister. Right. Chloe prefers playing concert in America? Doesn't say. Okay, continue answering this one. This is the last.
I think I will know this, but
I think I know this teacher better than the other one. Is that clear? Oh, I see. I told you, Keo.
I think I'm finished. I just think.
Okay. When Chloe first met Zach Carbron, she knew she wanted to study with him. What's the answer? Right. Chloe travels to other countries for her lesson with Zach Carbron. Right. Chloe thinks she has different life from other people her age. Wrong. Chloe plays pop music in the violin for her friends. Doesn't say, oh my God, Keo! What happened with this? This is the first time.
It's hard.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, don't worry about that. Next time, you make it good, right? If like this, I will give you 2 points each. Is that good? Is that okay for you?
Yeah, but it's plus.
Oh, it's okay. Anyway, you've got a lot of points. Don't worry. So, Keo, do you have other questions?
I just have 100 and...
Oh, wait. 1,084. You've got 1,084. Am I clear? Did you write it? Did you write it, Keo boy?
I write it.
And also what the bonus? How much is your bonus? You got 40 bonus. Can you see that?
Okay, I have 40 bonus.
Okay, very good. That's my Keo. Thank you for tonight, Keo boy.
So, goodbye now.
1,084. Bye, teacher, and bye-bye for teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Okay, see you tomorrow.